You think I can get through that little space over there? I'm Fletcher.
Nope, you're not.
How's it going?
You're not going to get through.
Y'all gotta back up.
You don't think I'm gonna make it?
Y'all can't go through there.
Why? Why can't I?
I don't think you can. I don't.
Well, let's.
Can't fit through
This is
there.
Well, we're gonna find out.
You're gonna find out.
We're gonna find
I
out.
bet he can do it. He's good.
How much room I got there?
He's
girlfriend? How much room I got?
You got about 2
How
feet
much?
here.
That ain't gonna work there.
Yeah.
You finna hit her food truck.
Well, let's do this. How much I got now, girl?
You got about a foot here.
You gonna hit that car too.
Why don't we just all take a little patience? How much you got, Pat?
About 6 inches.
Okay.
I don't think you can do this, Bob.
No, well, let's, here's the thing, Pat. Oh, crap, I got a foot over here. What's a Durango, Pat?
Yeah, hold on, stop, Bob. Seriously.
Okay, well, you said 6 inches.
It closed really fast.
Well, here's...
Now you might be able to if you start cranking it right now.
Well, I'm gonna wait till I have to crank it.
You got about a foot. You got about a foot here.
Fusion male, 30-year-old.
How about now?
Keep going.
Huh?
Keep going really slow though.
Give me a number.
9 inches. 6 inches.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. How about now?
Still 6.
How about now?
3.
Okay, I'll go back again. You ready? How much I got?
Stop. Hold
Huh?
on. Hold on. About 6 inches.
Well, I can't hit it going backwards. All right, here we go. You ready?
Yep.
How much I got now? How much I got? How many inches?
6.
You just keep giving me the inches.
Hold on. All right.
How much?
6. 6. 6. 5.
Oh, we're gonna make it. We got plenty of room. Plenty of room.
Copy, rear door open. We're going to investigate code 4 for
Backing up.
1172 Fifth Street.
Up. Okay.
Backing up.
Whoa, about 3. About 3.
3?
Stop. Wait a minute.
No. Just
I
stay,
can't
stay
see
in the
any.
car. You're fine.
No, I want to use my light. I can't see it. Got
Oh,
so
my
dark.
goodness. What do you got?
Okay, you got about 5 inches.
How about now?
Stop. About 2 inches.
Oh, all right, good. Well, we're making progress.
Yeah, we are.
We're making progress. We're almost through. We're almost through. There's not a lot of room behind us either.
Oh, that's going to be the key, what you did right there.
Yeah. Just keep backing up. Thing is, I just don't want to hit.
got a little more room on this side.
You're the best. Thanks for your help. I might give you a gift certificate from McDonald's for helping out.
Give me $100. So
Here's 20. Here's 20.
Gift card.
Here's $20 gift card. How much?
Hold on. Hold on.
Just give me a number.
You
got about 6, 8 inches.
It appears to be chasing a black truck. The caller will be in a gray Toyota.
Keep going.
How about now?
About 4 inches.
Oh, yeah, we're fine.
Good.
How about now?
You got
3 inches.
good. Just come this way. Turn the wheel this way. I ain't
Yeah,
gonna make you hit it. Come this way.
I'm gonna, but hang on a second. I'm just gonna give.
Driver test to be in the
All right, trust me. You good. All right, keep coming. You
Come on,
got more
Pat.
space over here.
3 inches.
I ain't gonna let you hit the truck or hit your truck. You good. Keep going. Go through. Go through.
You're good.
Hey,
You're good here.
Just come that way and then boom, bust the hard.
You're good here.
Break your
Still
left.
good.
Got a lot of space over here.
can we get an amen? Can we get an amen?
The caller
Hey!
Well, that was nice. You just trying to get us out. We're going back the other way. We're going back the other way. Hey, we can't get out this way. We're going back.
Personally, congratulate you on
Yeah,
that.
thank
That
you.
was amazing. It was a little painful to watch, but you guys stuck with it.
You know what's painful? You see this? Take a look here. I'll show you how it's worse. You see this camera?
Yeah.
it broke yesterday. So we're backing up without the availability of a backward camera.
Old school.
Old school. We had to do it old school.